Hi guys! Today I will explain how to apply effects in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy, and the first thing is open your application and open your project in which you want to add some effect. The next thing is import your video by clicking on the option Import. And once your video will be imported in the timeline of Clipchamp, take your mouse cursor on your video and click on this plus icon. Once you do, your video will be added to the timeline of Clipchamp. Take a look on the right side of your computer screen here. You will see multiple options, and from here, you can see the option of effects. Just click on it. Once you will click on the option effects, you will see a pop-up will be shown, and here, you will see multiple effects which you can apply on your video. Just for showing you, I will apply this rotating, and for applying, just click on it. And if I play the video from the start, you can see the effect has been applied on my video, and now my video is rotating. And it was the way by which you can apply effects in Clipchamp.